Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Skylight and Cozyla. When comparing Skylight and Cozyla, both are great choices for smart calendars in 2025, but they fit different needs. Skylight is a clean, simple and very easy to use. It's perfect if you want a touchscreen calendar that looks stylish and connects easily with Google, Apple and Outlook calendars. It's a good pick for families or individuals who want their schedules organized without much hassle. The only downside is it's a bit pricey and needs constant Wi-Fi. Cozyla, on the other hand, is more focused on family organization. Besides showing your calendar, it lets you set tasks, grocery lists, and reminders. It even supports voice commands, which makes adding events super easy. It's also a little more affordable, but the design isn't as fancy as Skylight's. In my opinion, if you want something simple and good looking, Skylight is a better choice. But if you want more family feature at a lower price, Cozyla is the way to go. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.